Hello, this is Sharon Naraine, and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State in Claremont, Florida, and it's a gorgeous day here. Oh my, look at my flowers, look at that. Oh, I love these little bellers. Beautiful, right? Mm, these are my marigolds, you name it. But look at the leaves, folks. Look at the leaves. Oh my gosh, look at the mess. Look at the mess this tree is making. Mm. We have lots of yard work to do. This tree here, these trees. Oh, look at this. This one. See the bells, little bellies. I love these bell flowers. So, folks, here's the deal. This is what I want to talk to you about. I really want to talk to you about this Impact Mailing Club that I am in. And even though it doesn't matter, once you do the work, persistent and consistency goes a long way. And now this is what I want to talk to you about with this direct mailing club, because no matter what's going on, you know, you still make money. I mean, I had series of illness with my husband, being in the hospital for almost 2 months in and out, long stays in the hospital. But yet, guess what? My mailing club still still makes money. So this is what I want to let me tell you. We have like with this mailing club, we do have like four levels. Okay, four levels. The first level is called the Emerald level, and that level is $100 plus stamps. Now, when someone signs up at that level, you will make a commission of $65. Okay, so and folks, this is unlimited. All right, $65 plus you will be getting 100 mailing leads. And the mailing leads, these are leads, they are very responsive leads, because these are people just like you and I who are very serious in making money. So they will sign up, and as they sign up, you will be making the commission. Now also you have the second level, which is called the Ruby level, and that is at $250 plus stamps. You will be making commission $100 every time, and also you will be getting 200 mailing leads. All right, 200 mailing leads. Also, you have, let me see, you have tier. It is a two-tier program, because once someone sign up, okay, let me back that up. The $100 level, which is $65 in commission, and the tier two is $20. Okay, let's say if someone sign up with me, I make $65, and my sponsor will make $20. All right, so my sponsor will make $20. Now with the Ruby, $250 plus the stamp, the commission is $150 plus my my sponsor will make $50 from that, plus 200 mailing leads. All right, that'll be 200 mailing leads. Now, this is going to happen to you as well, because when somebody signs up, you sign up with your link, and your downline does the same business. You will be making money from what they're doing as well. So the Sapphire level, which is $500 plus stamps, then the tier 2 is $100. Your downline sign up someone, you will be making $100 from that without not doing anything. And plus, you get 400 mailing leads. Okay, that's 400 mailing leads. That it's a peel and stick lead. You peel it off, you stick it on your envelope, put your stamp, put your flyer in it, your cover letter, and off it goes. Now you do have the diamond level, which is $2,000 plus stamps. And that level, if your downline sign up someone, you will be making $1,000 in addition. So, and then someone signs up, you will be getting 1,000 mailing leads plus invites to our company affairs and all of that. So, there you go. There you go, folks. It is 4 levels. All right. It's the emerald level, $100. You have the ruby level, $250. You have the sapphire level, $500, and the diamond level, $2,000. So, folks, you just choose which level. You just choose which level you think you want to sign up with, and which level you want to start make quick money. I mean, fast money. Choose a level because guess what? You will be making commission at the level that you are at. Oh, the sun is sharp. That's the level because once you're at that level and someone sign up, then you will be making commission on that level. Okay, you can also start where you're comfortable with. Oh, look at this pretty flower here. The level that you're comfortable with, and then of course you can upgrade. That's no problem, you can upgrade. But folks, I highly recommend you start at the highest level as possible. If not, go all in like I do and start making money right away. So again, call me 352-805-9846. 352-805-9846. You can call me, you can text me, talk with me. I'm very transparent. There's nothing to hide, nothing. Absolutely. This is a real deal, a real business. Anybody, of course, age 18 and over can do this business. Now, also you can go to my website, which is fastcashwithsharon.com. Again, that's fastcashwithsharon.com. Folks, let me be the first to welcome you into this mailing program. Okay, once you sign up, then of course you're going to get your welcome package. You're going to get a guide as how to go about doing the business, a company cover letter. You'll be getting that cover letter. You also will be getting your leads. You're going to be getting, everything that exclusively to you. Okay, everything you will be getting. Of course, we do have training and we have support as well. All right, we do have training and support galore. So there you go, folks. Again, a great system, a system that has been helping thousands of people like yourself, me, like myself, like yourself, and they earn $1,000. I mean, so easy, and this can be happening on limited time, folks. So again, peace out, Sharon Naraine. Hit the bell and also click on my subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace out. Take care again. This is Sharon Naraine, and folks, it's very, very simple. See that? It is very, very simple. It's the emerald level, you have the sapphire level, you have ruby, you have the diamond level, and you will be making good commission. You will be getting your own flyer as well. Now you will be getting like a cover letter. This is my cover letter, and I redo back. You get like a default, like a generic cover letter, but I like to put my picture there. See that? I mean, I redo back mine, and I can help you. I help the people who sign up with me. I definitely help them to put their picture and do like a cover letter. Alright, so one of this cover letter, and also what the cover letter along with this letter goes out. Okay, in it that goes out into the envelope along with your stamps, folks. Training how to do all of that, how to get all of that is definitely available. I am here. I will help you as a sponsor. So talk to me, okay? Welcome into my team. You take care. Peace out. Again, Sharon Naraine. Take care. Bye for now. Look at this guy with his motorbike. at that. It's beautiful here. So see, I am here in my shorts and all of that. So take care. Peace out, Sharon. Bye.